Meaning of Hinglish.
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 Hinglish. Hinglish is a portmanteau of the words Hindi and English. It refers to a hybrid language that is a mix of both languages, commonly spoken in India by those who are fluent in both Hindi and English. The language has become increasingly popular as a way to express oneself more effectively in a society where both languages are widely used. Hinglish blends English words with Hindi grammar and syntax, and is often used in everyday conversation, advertising, and media. It reflects the diverse cultural influences that shape modern India and is an important part of its linguistic heritage.